Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to talk about fuchsia. Check this wonderful beauty behind me. Here we are. I'm sure many of you have this one in your garden, and did you know this beauty is actually edible? Yes, it is indeed. So what can you do with it? It's got very pretty flowers and they are all edible. As you can see, it will be a really nice addition to any of your dish. It's really pleasing for the eyes. The only bit which is not edible is the stamens, so you can get rid of them. And all of this is edible. These ones are a bit tougher and these ones are more delicate. And after it stops flowering, you can eat the berries. So can you see this a little bit? This is actually the berry forming. So once the flower fell off, the berry will be forming. Unfortunately, we had pretty bad summer in UK, so the berries are not ready, but I managed to collect a few of the flowers, and I actually find one of the berry which should be ready, so I'm gonna show you. And I also had the leaves are edible, but I don't know, I haven't tried myself. I usually use the flowers and also the berries. And the flavor of the berries, it's really different. You need to find the one which is really tasty. So check your neighbor's garden, your friend's garden, and have a little nibble. Some of them can have sort of like aftertaste. My one, it's quite sharp, it's got quite aftertaste, but I really like trying new things in the season, so I always nibble a few of the berries, and I really like it. Okay, I'm back in my kitchen. I collected few of the flowers which I'm gonna keep in the fridge and use it in my lovely food. And here I've got one of the berry. So this is what it looks like when it is ripe, and you can eat it. So if you've got a really excess of these berries, you can make a jam or you can just eat it. I won't have enough this year, as I said, we had really pretty bad summer. So I will eat it fresh. When I see, I just pick it up. And with the berries, they don't store very well, so enjoy them fresh while you can. And let me know in the comments below, what do you do with the fuchsia berries or with the flowers? What are your favorite recipes? I am really curious to know. So I just enjoy them while I can. I make my dishes much nicer and prettier with the flowers. And with the berries, yes, I just eat them fresh when I'm in my garden. And if I can't eat the flowers straight away, and I'd like to enjoy them for next couple of days, but the weather it's not nice, let's say the weather forecast it should be raining for a couple of days, what I do, I actually store them in the fridge. So I've got here old case from vegan butter, and if you don't eat dairy products, this one, it's amazing. It's called Naturally, and it's spreadable butter, and I love it. I use this as a storage. So what I do, I take some napkin, I put some water, I just put it there, put the flowers inside, make it like that, sprinkle more water on the top, but just tiny bit, not to be like really soaking wet. And I just close it, and they store pretty well for a couple of days. So this is your tip. If you are busy or the weather it's not nice, so I always collect it when it's nice and dry. Okay, and now I'm gonna collect some more flowers from my garden to have a nice mixture and add it to this lovely fuchsia. I've got some borage. What else I've got? I've got some rose petals and also some calendula. So I'm gonna pick up some more and enjoy the fresh flowers while I can, because autumn is coming and then everything will be gone. So enjoy it while you can. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now, share with your friends and family, spread some love, leave me some comments, let me know what are your favorite recipes with fuchsia, how do you use it, do you use fuchsia berries, and yeah, let me know some recipes as well. That's all from me, from my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.